Sausage! Bloody hell! What in the hell are you doing? Go on, off you go. What a sausage. How can people fail to see a white car? No.
How big a stew I had to make how big it is. Because you forget, and young teenagers, especially boys, eat out the house and home. And it was 21.
Oh, don't adjust though.
Because I don't get anywhere near the stick in my life from United fans that I do from Liverpool. So United goes a tier ahead of Liverpool and Arsenal as a result of that. I still don't mind. So that's that really. So let's move on.
Fucking doing like
Mansfield goes
sausage.
Middlesbrough. I quite like Norwich.
Down here, the challenge. Has it gone?
Has it?
City, wasn't it? There's a good little journey, isn't it? Just got me son for it now.
Aye. Well, bloody hell's bells, I'm supposed to know where you're going. Absolute sausage. Bloody hell. Yeah.
That is in car.
Yep, Spaghetti Junction round
Can
here.
you get any close?
That garage like one of the side benches or something, table, make some room.